This was once just a dream.
TTC go. TTC is go for launch.
2. Booster ignition and liftoff of Discovery and a team of explorers shaping their destiny.
An answer built by those who dared to ask, what if we were to channel humanity's knowledge and creativity into something truly revolutionary? What if we built a bridge between and above all nations? To jointly discover the galaxy's great unknowns, to endeavor to live and to work outside our planet for the benefit of all within. What started as an accord between two former rivals became a beacon of opportunity for the rest of the world.
We have ignition and liftoff of the Soyuz rocket, beginning the first expedition to the International Space Station and setting the stage for permanent human presence in space.
You ready for visitors?
We live this dream aboard the International Space Station.
Understand it's good to have you there and adjusting to your new home.
Adapting to life in space has been a process.
For the past 20 years, over 230 astronauts from all over the world have worked tirelessly together, boldly performing pioneering research and high-stakes spacewalks in the unforgiving environment of space. In this unparalleled orbital laboratory, circling the planet at 17,500 miles an hour, thousands of groundbreaking scientific experiments from over 100 countries have led to discoveries unachievable in the confines of Earth. From 250 miles up, an unbroken chain of residents have shared their view and their research with a generation eager to understand this higher plane. The space station is a symbol of humanity at its best, a shining example of international peace and collaboration in action.
3, 2, 1.
Endeavour, this is Houston. You've completed a historic ride to the ISS and have opened up a new chapter in human space exploration.
And as we turn our gaze outward still, this International Space Station is a living testament of our collective strength and perseverance, where our human curiosity prepares for the audacious efforts ahead. We continue to bridge the distances between us and prove just how much more is possible when we dream together.